So we just attended the Cannes Film Festival and we were thinking about some interesting facts that we discovered while we were there, and we thought we should come here and tell you guys.
What I've seen on IG, I used to always think that the red carpet is really long, but it actually is the shortest red carpet ever. It just gets over in like, what, 30 seconds?
So all of the videos that you see of the influencers and celebrities walking across the carpet, it's only slow motion videos, because in real life they are through in like 20 seconds.
Yes.
Secondly, all of the celebrities that you see are going to Cannes. Most of them are living at this hotel called Martinez. Alia Bhatt was living there. Aditi Rao Hedy was living there. We saw Simone Ashley. Who else?
Anwar Hadid, Bella Hadid, Noah Schnapp.
Dua Lipa.
Not Urvashi Rautela. A big group of like fans will always be seen outside the Martinez. This will be crazy. You can go there at 10 a.m. You can go there till 12 a.m. in the night. You will always find people.
Another thing I noticed is that while obviously now it's become all about the gram, there are a bunch of people who are really there for the movies. They will wait in line for hours to get to go to their favorite movie.
Yes.
That's it from us. Bye.